Hello everybody. In this tutorial, I just want to show you actually how to run our Hi World app on the Genymotion Virtual Device. So first, let me point out that in order to actually access the system, the Android Studio preferences, you just need to click on, if you are using a Mac OS 6, you just need to click on Android Studio and preferences. But if you are using Android Studio on a Windows machine, you need to actually click on Files and Settings. But because I am using a Mac OS 6, I don't have that option here. I don't have that menu here, okay? If you are using a Windows machine, just click on Files and click on Settings. So I click on Android Studio, Preferences, and then click on Plugins, Browse Repositories, and here just type in Genymotion. And as you can see here, I have downloaded and installed the Genymotion plugin for my Android Studio. But if you want to actually download and install the Genymotion for your own Android Studio, you just need to actually click on the Genymotion, right click on this Genymotion here, and the download and install button appears on this pop-up. But because I have downloaded and installed the Genymotion plugin, I don't see that option here. Also, as you can see, this plugin allows you to create and start Genymotion virtual devices from Android Studio. So after the downloading and installation process of the Genymotion plugin is finished, you just need to actually close this window. So just click on close, and this is very important. You need to actually click on apply, okay? When you click on apply, a pop-up that appears on this screen and says you must actually restart your Android Studio. So just restart your Android Studio, and when your Android Studio is open again, when it's ready, you can see another actually option here, the Genymotion Device Manager. So just click on this one, and here you need to actually specify the installation path of the Genymotion. For example, if you are using a Windows machine, in order to find the installation path of some software, you need to actually right click on that software and click on properties, and the installation path would appear. But if you are using a Mac OS 6, in order to actually specify the installation path, you can just refer to the applications folder and the Genymotion application. For example, Finder and applications, Genymotion, okay? So that's it. And after specifying the installation path, click on choose and OK, and the virtual device would appear here, okay? The virtual device that you downloaded in the previous tutorial. So just click on this virtual device and click on start, and then it's gonna actually starting virtual device for us. It's gonna configuring and set up the Genymotion virtual device for us. And let me tell you that this is a very fast emulator for Android development, so I strongly suggest and recommend that you're using it. As you can see, the virtual device is ready for us. So now we can actually run our Hi World application on this virtual device. So let me show you how to do that. First, we need to close this window here, and then just click on this Run App button here, play button here. And as you can see, the Genymotion Google Nexus 9 appears on this screen. Just click on this one. Don't actually click on this. This is the emulator of the Android. Just you need to actually click on the device, actually this Genymotion Google Nexus 9, okay? Just tick this choose a running device and click on OK, and it's finished. And your application is ready. So now it's gonna actually show us some logs, and then we need to actually open the player, and as you can see, my Hi World app is actually running on the Genymotion virtual device. So thank you for watching, and in the next tutorial I'm going to show you actually how to run your application on a real device. So see you in the next tutorial.